So this is just to talk to you about how to develop your Seesaw profile and send work out to children. You could probably do this for Google Classroom as well. It's just an interesting way of presenting work. So I'm just using PowerPoint at the minute, just purely because the teachers that I was going to be training were really familiar with this, so I just wanted to use something that kind of allowed them to access this quickly. So this background was shared on the Seesaw Pioneer webpage, on the Seesaw Pioneer Facebook page, should I say, and I created my own little bit emoji here. So I've just sat myself down in the seat and just changed all these aspects. So I can change all these. I can just type in. So and I've added the training class, so you could put your own class here, but what you do is use the page to develop aspects that you want the children to look at. So you can see that as I added these little pictures in here, which I've just saved all in a file, I can then insert a link to that particular page. So if I want to insert a picture, I obviously go and then I can just navigate to my folder and put that picture in. But then if I've got that picture and I want to, for example, this one here, I'm just going to insert a picture from, you won't be able to see inside my folders, but I'll just quickly go and get a picture to kind of show you if I was looking at a particular topic. Now I'm just navigating very quickly to a picture of the Great Fire of London. I'm just going to make that a bit smaller, and I'm going to put that on the top shelf. Just move myself along because this is my topic work, and I'm going to go to insert, and this is where you add the link to a page that you want them to look at. And then what happens is that link is added to that. So for example, when I hover over it now, you can see the ones that have got the links on. So I've got a YouTube video for Great Fire of London, I've got some maths work, I've got a link to a yoga video, I've got a link to a game, I've got a link here to a Seesaw activity. So I've got all these links here ready. Then what I'm going to do is file, and if I go to file and save it, I can find an option called export, and it allows me to create a PDF, and then you can just save that PDF. Okay, now this is what your PDF will look like. So it just means that when you're using Seesaw, the PDF, you can add a PDF to the Seesaw account. So I've got now my person, I've got my introduction, I've got my links that I'm happy with, all the links working. I might add something here if I wanted to, but what I would do is resave this, and you can change the person, you can change your outfit. So for example, you can see my little bit emoji here has got a workout outfit on. So what I would do now is upload this to my Seesaw account to share with the children. I'm going to show you how to do that. Right, so now I'm going to demo how I've added this to my training page here. You can see that I've got a little training page that I teach fellow teachers how to use Seesaw. So I'm just going to go up to my add button here, and I'm going to post student work. Because it's a document I've already got, I'm just going to click upload. And I'm going to go and select that piece of work from, there it is. And there's my page with all my links in for that particular day. I'm going to send it across to my page, all students. I'm not going to put it into a folder today. And how the children would access this is at the very bottom, there's a view original. And what they would do is they'd click onto the link, and then it would take them to that page, and they would simply click back to come back out of it. So it just means that they can go and play. I'll just see if that one works, and they can come back depending on what they want to do. If you want to add any more links, or if you feel that there's something that you want to adapt or change, that's obviously view original. What you can do is edit the item. So I'm going to edit the item, and I'm just going to add in a little voiceover for today with a start recording. Hi children, welcome to our online training session. Have a look over on the shelf and find out what is happening today. You can have a go at some yoga. There's some maths activities. We've got a new topic starting today about the Great Fire of London, so there's a little bit of research. And when you've finished all your work, you can go onto our Galaxy Pugs activity and let's see who can complete the missions.